we live in this beautiful town of Ludington, and we have all of these marinas, we have all of these boats, we have Lake Michigan, and what a joy it is to gather together and to ask God's blessing upon us. We are really blessed here, and God shines on us, and I can't think of anything more fun to do or better to do than to ask God's blessing upon us.
Coming up, please, I encourage everybody to get out, enjoy what we have here in Michigan, because we're very lucky. I have 5 counties. Every foot along Lake Michigan is sand. I probably have the most beautiful district in maybe the country, not just Michigan. And we want to keep it that way. Beautiful.
Sure. Michigan has 129 lighthouses, which is more than any other state. United States has over 700 lighthouses in total, most than any other country in the world. So Michigan definitely has a unique responsibility to maintain these lighthouses.
Is our marine heritage with the boating industry, with the Badger, with the car ferry, and the history. This is what Mason County is all about in Ludington. It's our identity, and it's just really an awesome thing to see what a port like the one we have here in Ludington does for the area.
And what we're raising money for is the Salo Point Lighthouse Keepers Association, and they take care of all 5 of these lighthouses on Lake Michigan. So,
I'm Jennifer Merchant, VP of Operations at Safe Harbor Credit Union, and I'm here at the 6th annual Blessing of the Boats, which we co-sponsor with Ludington Bay Brewery Company. This year, we are raising money for the Salo Point Lighthouse Keepers Association. We have a blessing about 6:30 tonight with Father Windmill. Prior to that, we have a band at 5 o'clock in Defiance County. Obviously, it's a blessing of the boats, so it's important to the boating community. However, we're raising money for the lighthouses, which is important to all of us. We're a harbor town, we're a maritime community, so really the preservation and the education about our lighthouses is just so important. So if you don't have a boat, that's okay, because we do have this gorgeous beach and we're right on the lake shore.